There are certain questions you must ask at a home showing that give you everything you need to know about the home. Not the layout, not the paint color, not the kitchen backsplash, the questions that quietly decide whether you're going to love your home for years or deal with expensive surprises later. Because most buyers walk through homes emotionally, they picture their couch, they imagine holidays, they think about where the TV would go, and they miss the details that actually matter. Before we jump in, thank you for being here. I really appreciate you spending a few minutes with me today. I'm Mark Powell with Osborne Home Group and eXp Realty, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact questions smart buyers ask during a showing so important it always gets overlooked. Let's start with the foundation of every smart showing.
The first thing you want to ask is about the age and condition of the major systems. How old is the roof? How old is the furnace and AC? When was the water heater replaced? Have there been any major repairs or upgrades? These are not cosmetic details. These are the things that quietly cost tens of thousands of dollars if you get surprised later. Asking these questions early protects your future budget and your peace of mind. Now here's a question that gives you leverage without sounding pushy. How long has the home been on the market? Has there been a price reduction? You're not being nosy. You're gathering context. Because motivation changes negotiation. A seller who just listed behaves very differently than a seller who's been waiting, and knowing that shapes how you structure your offer. Next, ask about operating costs. What do utilities typically run each month? Is the home energy efficient? Are there HOA fees, Metro District taxes, or ongoing costs that aren't obvious? Because your mortgage payment is only part of your real monthly cost. Understanding the true cost keeps you from stretching your budget in ways that quietly add stress. Now let's talk about the neighborhood, because this is where regret often hides. Ask about traffic patterns, noise levels, parking, future development, nearby construction plans. A home can be perfect, but if the area doesn't match your lifestyle, it will never feel right. This one category of questions can save you years of frustration. Now here's where you start thinking like a confident buyer instead of a hopeful buyer. Are there any other offers? Are disclosures available now? What terms would help an offer stand out? These questions don't just protect you, they position you. They tell you how to structure your offer so it's strong and smart. And here's a bonus tip that almost nobody uses. After each showing, take a quick note or record a 30-second voice memo about what you liked, what you didn't, and how the home felt. When you've seen 5 or 10 homes, this becomes priceless.
Now, if this breakdown has been helpful, take a second to like and subscribe. I share a lot of local buyer guidance to help people make smart, calm decisions here in Northern Colorado. I'd also love to hear from you. What's one question you wish you had asked at a home showing? Drop it in the comments so other buyers can learn from your experience. And before you go, thank you so much for spending your time with me today. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.